Hello, welcome back to Lagos Saturday. Today we're going to be talking about the Trinity guy comedy, who is currently remanded in prison in a correctional center in Oyo State, pending July 11, when his case will be continued in court. There are lots of pranks that this same guy has done, but one particular prank got him in prison. And there are laws that he violated in those pranks. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the particular video that got him in prison and the laws that he violated. But before then, let me give you a briefing concerning that video. In that video, he was seen sexualizing a minor. Let me tell you, in whatever you're doing here in Nigeria, in whatever you are doing, avoid a minor. Because what you think might not, and let me tell you, ignorance on the law is not an excuse. You cannot come and say, I didn't know that this is this, I didn't know that that was that. It doesn't matter. So whatever you are doing, especially when you know that that thing is not good, avoid a minor. So in that video, he was seen sexualizing a minor by asking the little girl the color of his skin, if she saw his skin and the color of his skin. Let me make it brief for you by allowing you to watch the video. So watch this.
Okay, you can so. Okay, títí bá ti sọ, ẹ máa lọ.
Tó bá ti sọ, ẹ máa lọ.
Mo rí dànù. Mo rí.
Orí. Mo ló ṣe rí.
Ó dúdú.
Orí. Kọ́lọ̀ wo ni? Kọ́lọ̀ wo ni?
Wàhálà máa ṣe. Ṣé ìyanu mi?
Kọ́lọ̀ wo ni?
Ọ̀lẹ́ mi rí kankan lọ́wọ́ yín.
Rọ́ọ̀nù.
Okay, má ti fẹ́ sọ mo ti.
Ó yá sọ, kọ́lọ̀ wo ni?
Color white.
Color white.
Ẹ pupa, ọkọ yín pupa ni. Ó pupa.
Kí ló pupa?
Ọkọ yín pupa.
Ọkọ mi ti pupa. Tó bá lọ bẹ̀ yẹn.
So that was the trending video that got him in jail. Now, let's move over to the most important thing. Which law does he violate? The Trinity guy comedy violated section 35 and 36 of the Child Rights Law of Oyo State. And what does this law talk about? What is this law all about? Let's look into it. Section 35 of the Child Rights Law of Oyo State states that other forms of sexual abuse and exploitation, a person who sexually abuses or sexually exploits a child in any manner not already mentioned under this part commits an offense. And subsection 2 says a person who commits an offense under subsection 1 of this section is liable on conviction to imprisonment for a term of 14 years. As it stands now, Trinity guy comedy stands a chance of going to prison for 14 years if at the end of the day the judgment is against him. If at the end of the day he's found guilty, 14 years for him. You see the risk he's running for a prank. Then again, let's look into section 36 sub 1. Here it says a person who exploits a child in any other form or a way not already mentioned in this part of this law, which is detrimental to the welfare of a child, commits an offense. Then subsection 2 says a person who commits an offense under subsection 1 of this section is liable of conviction to a fine of 500,000 naira or imprisonment to a term of 5 years or to both such fine and imprisonment. See, let me tell you this section 35 sub 1, which says any abuse or sexual exploit that is not already in this part. This means that whatever it is that you did with a minor that concerns sex, that is sexual, just know that you're going in for it. Then 36 also made mention of exploiting a child in any form. In any form, any person who exploits a child in any other form or way already mentioned, that is detrimental to the welfare of the child. You see, in this case now, an adult asking a child to mention the color of his skin is exploitation and is very, very detrimental to that child. Section 35 and 36, these are the laws, the sections of the law that the Oyo State Police Command are using to prosecute him in court. And if at the end of the day he's found guilty of these sections, he's going in for either 14 years or 5 years, depending on the one that he's being judged on. You out there that is a prankster, you have to be careful. You out there that is not a prankster, but you want to do things with a minor that your heart is telling you that is wrong, but you want to do it so that do it in a way that you avoid. You cannot avoid. See, justice might be delayed, but can never be denied. Let me also inform you that in this case is also a case of conspiracy between Trinity and the minor's parents. The minor's parent, according to Trinity, he said that permission was sought out, that he seek the permission of the minor's parents, and they permitted him to use their child for such thing. Now, the law didn't exempt them. The law didn't just take up Trinity guy, but also took the parents of the child for conspiracy, conspiring to exploit a minor. So as it stands now, the three of them are facing trial. So let it not be that, oh, he went ahead and used the girl. He used the girl with the permission of the parents. We don't know what prompted that, whether for monetary benefits or other things. But the fact that the three of them are in the issue, they are both being tried. Okay, for the parents, they are being tried for conspiracy. So far, we are looking up to July 11th when his case will be concluded in court. So if you want an update about this Trinity guy committee case, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put on your bell notification to get notified whenever we post. Until we come your way next time on this same issue, please stay tuned to this channel. Other interesting topics, other legal topics on this channel. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share someone that needs to. Obviously, a lot of people are interested in this case. So if you know that person that wants to know the legal issues in this Trinity guy's case, please share this video to the person. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.